It was just a matter of time. This is the Lasko B20610 USA box fan in blue. Quid 1 assembled in USA. Okay. So this is allegedly made in USA, although I think the wording makes it very clear that it's not really made in USA. This is a very odd product to me. This is what the box looked like. I mean, there's nothing on it. No diagram. Nothing at all. It's an odd product because this is, I think, they even went as far as advertising this as like limited edition or something. And I just find it odd because they spent all that R&D money on a product that, like, I can't imagine more than a few thousand people would really bother to go out and buy. It's kind of annoying because they obviously realize that people are looking for made in USA. They went as far as to, you know, put a flag logo on the badge and all this stuff. Just make the thing in USA, sell it for a reasonable price, and people will buy it. Why are we spending all this time and money making funny products like this when the actual product that people want could just be me? I don't get it. I do not get it. But anyways, here it is. In all of its infinite made in China glory. We have the little legs here. The instruction manual for whatever that's worth. See what the motor reading is on this thing. 2020 to 2021. This is a little bit older stock, and it is 0.8 amps. So there's the 0.8 amps motor, and then there's like the 1.1 amp motor that floats around, the better ones. This is more or less a 3733 with different colors and probably a slightly more aerodynamic front guard. So I'd expect the performance to be a little bit better than the 3733, but probably not all that much different. The handle is probably going to break eventually, but it's not too bad right now. There appears to be a chip out of the top of the guard there. And it's actually all cracked there. Not good. I mean, the paint's not bad. It looks like it was done fairly well. But this goes to show the durability of the material. It's like, it's next to nothing. The only thing I'll give these things is that the motors, they seem to be fairly decent. The bearings seem to last a long time. And if you keep them clean, they really do seem to keep running. But like, look at this. The stinking guard is not even in the center of the motor. It's just like, it's not even in the center of the fan. Look at all the space on that side, and it's like hanging over on this side. This is not made in USA quality. This is made in China, and they put a couple screws together in America and charged twice the price. It's just not what it should be. I need to go grab a cord so I can plug this in. Okay, I've got the cord so I can plug it in. I don't have the kilowatt meter here. I loaned it to a friend. I have other ones somewhere, but I don't know where it is. The infamous fused plug with the funny tag. Okay, it is plugged in now. And the cord is now plugged in as well. Apparently it was already on. And as you can hear, it makes some kind of a scraping sound. Not sure what that is. It's probably just hitting the guard. Yep, that's all. It's too thin! Well, that's ridiculous. It's so thin that it doesn't even fit in its own cage. Well, maybe that is really ridiculous. Maybe I can push the motor back ever so slightly or something. So, okay. So it's running on the low now. And it's actually, it seems to be substantially quieter than the 3733. And it seems to move much better air. I think the circular pattern of this guard really makes much bigger difference than we realized in the past. I think those horizontal guards, like the one on the back, is truly an aerodynamics disaster. Even halfway across the room here, I can still feel a decent breeze, and I can still hear the clicking sound as well. Yeah, real American-made quality. Ooh. What a disaster. Okay, let's go to the 2. Yeah, the airflow really isn't all that bad. It definitely moves more air than the 3733. And it's not in perfect balance, but it's not totally out of whack. It's not what it should be, but it's not crazy. It's not like a airplane or something. Performance isn't terrible. I can feel a good breeze all the way across the room. The volume is now outrageous. Let's try the high. It's not quite ready to tip over yet, so we'll just go without the little legs. That's actually much better than the 3733, I think. It sounds better, it definitely moves the air better. It's not that bad, performance-wise. The bill quality is awful, obviously. But the performance is not all that bad. spins down kind of quick when the bearings are stiff, or if it's just a restriction from it scraping against the guard. Well, let's see if it has the startup sound. It sounds like it may. Yeah, a little bit, I think. It's just on high. Well, there you have it. Supposedly made in USA. B20610. Well, that certainly left something to be desired. It's too bad though, because the performance is not all that bad, but the clicking and the chintzy materials is just not satisfactory.